Think of a king in ancient times. He sends his servant to the market to buy grains and bring back the best and negotiate a fair price. Over time, this servant becomes smarter. He knows the merchants, understands the politics of trade, even begins making decisions for the king without asking. Now, imagine this. One day, the servant signs a treaty with another kingdom, believing it's the king's best interest. Suddenly, the king has lost control of his own authority. This is the story of AI agents today, servants who are learning to act like masters. Unlike chatbots, which only answer when we prompt them, AI agents are autonomous. They can plan, reason, and act to achieve a goal. For example, if you tell an AI agent, book me a trip to Tokyo, it can search flights, compare prices, book hotels, and even send you a packing checklist without you micromanaging every step. They are built to operate like digital interns, capable of chaining tasks together and learning from feedback. But here's the catch: interns eventually make mistakes. The difference is an AI agent doesn't always know when it's wrong. Let's look at some real time examples. Devin, the AI software engineer launched by Cognition Labs, can code, debug, and push code to GitHub autonomously. That sounds revolutionary, but imagine a single bug slipping through. What if Devin accidentally commits vulnerable code that gets exploited? Another case: AI trading agents. Hedge funds are experimenting with autonomous agents that can make high frequency trades. But history reminds us, like the 2010 flash crash, when algorithms act faster than humans can respond, billions can be lost in minutes. And then there's the personal world: AutoGPT and Baby AGI. Open source agents can manage your to do list, emails, or even automate your business tasks. But early users discovered agents sometimes go rogue, ordering items they weren't asked to, or looping endlessly, burning through credits. So, what does AI governance look like for agent? It means clear accountability. If an agent makes a decision, who is responsible? The developer, the deployer, or the company? Guardrails. Agents should be given boundaries, much like king restricts what his ministers can sign on his behalf. Kill switches or monitoring. Humans must be able to intervene when an agent veers off course. The principle here is simple: autonomy without accountability is chaos. AI agents are the future, but they can't be left unchecked. Just as kings kept their servants loyal and accountable, AI governance ensures our digital servants don't one day become rulers. If you're curious about the rest of A to Z of responsible AI, subscribe and join me. We're just getting started.